Boiling down the basics. Understanding, boil in broth. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of English expressions. We'll stir the pot and get to the bottom of what it means to boil in broth. So, if you're ready to spice up your English, let's get cooking. Boil in broth isn't just for chefs. It's a phrase that can add zest to your language skills. At its core, to boil something in broth means to cook or simmer it in a liquid. This phrase can be taken literally, or used metaphorically to describe being in a situation that is steeped in or surrounded by a particular condition or influence. In the kitchen, boil in broth is straightforward. It involves cooking ingredients like meat or vegetables in a seasoned liquid. This technique infuses the food with flavor and tenderizes it. It's a basic culinary method with delicious results. Outside the kitchen, boil in broth can describe a person who is deeply immersed in an environment or situation. For example, someone who has been in a stressful job for years might say they've been boiling in broth, suggesting they're saturated with pressure. Let's put boil in broth into action. If you're literally talking about cooking, you might say, the chef let the chicken boil in broth for hours. Metaphorically, you could express enduring hardship by saying, I've been boiling in the broth of this tough project for months. And there you have it, friends, a pinch of knowledge about the phrase, boil in broth. Whether you're stirring the pot in the kitchen or simmering in life's challenges, you now know how to serve up this expression with confidence. Happy learning, and may your language skills always be flavorful.